Today I'm going to show you how to make a set of armbands made popular by wrestling superstar Jeff Hardy. Jeff was originally inspired to make these by singer-songwriter Marilyn Manson in the late 90s. So whether you plan on wearing these to a wrestling show or heavy metal concert, I hope you find the tutorial helpful. Start by purchasing 2 pairs of trouser socks or pantyhose. These were about $3 at Walmart, so you can get them for super cheap. Using a pair of sharp scissors, start by cutting a hole at the end of each sock. Try to leave the sewing seam intact on each side, as this will help them be more durable. The hole should be a little smaller than your wrist, as it will easily stretch. Next, cut a thumb hole on one side of the sock, 1 to 2 inches down from the hand hole. Flip the sock over and cut a pinky hole on the opposite side, again 1 to 2 inches down from the hand hole. Pull the sock up your arm for a test fit to ensure proper positioning. These socks have a reinforced layer at the top, which made them durable and compress well. Repeat the same process with the other sock. I used both white socks as the underlayer for these armbands. Cut the holes to match your other hand, again matching up the thumb hole and pinky hole. Now grab your other pair of socks. They have to be a different color. Vibrant colors are ideal, but I used black and white for this example. Repeat the first part of the process over on these socks, cutting a hole for the hand, 1 for the thumb, and 1 for the pinky. Again, you can pull them on for a quick test fit if needed. Cut the same series of holes for the opposite arm. Now it's time for the final step. Grab one sock that will end up being your outer color layer. Fold it in half lengthwise and begin cutting 1/2 inch to 1 inch cuts where both sides meet. Make cuts the whole length of the sock, but do not make any cuts too close to the end. The sock should appear like this. If you test fit the armband and desire more holes, fold it in half lengthwise again, but this time cut on the opposite side. These cuts should be smaller and should not interfere with your initial cuts. Repeat the same process with the other outer layer sock. Your armbands are complete. Pull on your underlayer sock first, then pull your outer layer sock over it. This part can be a little tricky with the Swiss cheese everywhere. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and comment below.